Oh, hello everybody, how are you doing? Hope everybody's well. Got to keep your voices down because Feed thinks I'm doing some painting. But actually, I'm going to change the speakers in this rear door. The original intention was to use the old speakers out of the front door cards, but they're different. These are a lot bigger and heavier, they must be bass speakers. So I've had to get a new unit. It comes in one piece. And as you'll see, it's in a lot better condition than mine. So I'm going to whip this grill off and we'll crack on. There were just 4 screws in the middle for that bit, and the whole bit comes off. You know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somebody's been in before. There's a screw loose. I have to say the magnets are quite impressive, even if the rest of it isn't. I mean, for goodness sake, how did they get in a state like that? How many Led Zepp CDs you have to play to get them like that? Yeah, these are Philips, and these are Harman Kardons. 23694D. Well, let's see what happens, won't we? Don't need to hold. Don't need to hold them in. Right. And lastly, that bit.
Now
the screw falls out. There's supposed to be 6, but I've only got 4. Right, okay, we've changed them. I'm going to test it, but I can't do it on camera because of copyright issues. So I'll just do that now. Back in a mo. Oh, good. Yeah, still there. Yeah, me too. Yeah, it was okay. They don't really kick in till you crank it up. And it's a bit, it's a bit nice when people are out, and I don't want to annoy too many people. I'll try it when I'm by myself on the way back from work. But it's certainly a lot better. The old ones fizzed and popped and didn't make a lot of decent sound. So, there I am. Yeah. So anyway, so that's it. We'll just pop some new speakers in the back load carrying door, and it's much better. So better get back to my painting. So you take care of yourselves. Don't get lost or squashed, and I'll see you in a bit.